Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you how to allow app to access your location on your iPhone. If you want to allow your apps to access your location on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for privacy and security. Here's that. Tap on it. And here you have the option of location services. Tap on it. And here you just have to select the app which you want to access your location. So let's see, we're going to select Safari websites. Just tap on it, and here you have selected never, and you can select one of three options that I'm going to select when using the apps. Just tap on it, and here you can see the location service has been enabled. Now I'm going to deselect it again, and if you won't found the app here, so you just have to go to main settings. In main settings, just scroll down and look for apps. Here's that. Tap on it. In apps, you just have to select for the app which you want to allow access to your location, and I'm going to select calendar. So just tap on it, and here you will easily get the location settings. Here's that. You just have to disable this setting. If you want to don't allow the app to access your location on your iPhone, and if you want to allow the app to access your location, so just enable the settings. So now look for another app. So now I'm going to select Facebook, so just tap on it, and here you'll get location service. Tap on it, and here you can see I have selected the third option. And if you want to don't allow this app, so just select never, and if you want to allow the app, so just select while using the app. So that's how you can easily allow apps to access your location on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.